Have you ever wondered about the wolf? The wolf is one of nature's most powerful predators. For centuries, humans have admired these creatures. Wolves symbolize strength, loyalty, and survival. They live in packs that resemble a family structure. In each pack, roles are defined: leaders, protectors, and hunters. This structured teamwork showcases their intelligence. Scientists study wolves to learn about group strategies. Wolves communicate using body language and over 20 howls. Each howl carries a specific meaning: warn, call, gather, or celebrate. Humans learned valuable lessons from wolves. Their pack dynamics inspire ideas about teamwork and leadership. Hunting strategies inform cooperation and planning. Even rescue dogs model their behavior after wolves. Wolves serve as guardians of our ecosystems. They control animal populations, keeping balance in nature. When they disappeared, ecological imbalances occurred. But upon reintroduction, ecosystems thrived again. Wolves promote the growth of forests and stabilize wildlife. They remind us every animal plays a vital role. Which animal should I cover next? If you love powerful animals, follow my page for more. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, link in my bio. Let me know in the comments.